Are you kidding me? I've got no words, to be honest. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be testing and reviewing the Colourpop and Animal Crossing collaboration that came out a week ago. I actually can't remember because every day just feels the same. And we are going to ignore the fact I woke up like an hour ago and it is now 6 PM. Anyway, this is my first time ordering from Colourpop because it is an American brand of makeup and it was like $17 to get delivered to the UK. So this is a one-off event because it's Animal Crossing makeup, because I for sure am not paying $17. I think it's like £13 for delivery and shipping again. That is absolutely insane. This is the box. It arrived when I was asleep today. It is quite nice. It's like a pastel pink. It also says fragile on the box, and it took like an entire day to fly from LA to Heathrow. It took an entire 24 hours and it took another hour in customs. I am kind of nervous to open it and see if like anything's broken, because obviously I have to like fly here and stuff. I'm just like worried about how many times it's been like bashed around, you know what I mean? So yes, let's open it. Oh, that is pretty. That is so nice. Wow. Oh, there's a lot of bubble wrap, so hopefully it'll be okay. I ordered 2 palettes and a blush. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Are you absolutely kidding me? I paid $12 for this. I paid $12 for this. $12. I'm just gonna keep saying that. $12. Look how much bubble wrap they've used for it. $12 freaking dollars. Look at it. It fits in my hand. I've got quite small hands. Are you kidding me right now? But yeah, anyway, this is the Nook Inc palette. I will have to show you properly on the screen because as you can see it is absolutely tiny. I've got no words, to be honest. This is the What a Hoot palette. My favourite non-villager character is Celeste, so. And the last thing is this blush. Absolutely tiny as well. This is the Flower Tender one. It's got cute little character faces on. These 3 items were all $12 each. The packaging is adorable, but Christ. Today I'm going to be trying out the blush and the Nook Inc palette because I'm wearing this teal hoodie, so perfect opportunity to try out the teal shade. I'm quite excited about the teal shade. Okay, so I'm going to open this one just to show you. This is the What a Hoot palette. Okay, let's open it together. Oh, the shades are really cute. I love the little Celeste and Blavers. Yep. That is the What a Hoot palette. I will put this over here for now because I'm not using this today. So this is the main event today, the tiny Nook Inc palette. I'm really excited about the teal colour. There we go. Let's open it together. The Yes colour is really nice. The Made in the shade is kind of like, I would say like a khaki green. So now I'm actually going to try it out. The brush is like the entire pan. Okay, I'm gonna try and do it via this little mirror and I'm incredibly short-sighted, so let's see how this goes. I think I'm going to pat water landing all over my eyelid just to see, because I'm quite excited to see like how teal this is. That is what it looks like on the brush. That is one layer of water landing. It's quite nice. because obviously you know I wear glasses. When I close this eye, that is definitely my weaker one because I really struggle to see what I'm doing. I think I'm going to add another layer. That is actually a really pretty colour. I love wearing green and blue eyeshadow, so I'm quite happy with that. Now I think I'm going to apply Made in the shade, that one, the top bit here. I'm not very good at technical terms. This is the Made in the shade. I was expecting it to be like more a khaki green, but it's actually quite brighter than I thought, so that's interesting. It's glittery as well, which gives it a little bit extra, which is cool. So this is how it looks so far. I am actually quite a fan. Now I'm going to grab a concealer and put Yes Yes in the cut crease. I'm still quite new to cut creases, so I'm gonna give it my best shot. My sponge is also green, which matches the entire theme, so that's good. I didn't plan for that to happen. As you can tell, I really need to practice my cut creasing. Not very good at it. So now I'm going to apply Yes Yes to the kind of a failed cut crease I have attempted to make. This is what it looks like on the brush. I'm not entirely sure there's much difference between this and Made in the shade, but we'll give it a try anyway. I really like how that looks. I need to tidy it up obviously, but I really do like how that looks. It's all like shiny, really shimmery. I love it. I'm not entirely sure what to do with CEO. I might just put it like in the inner corner just so I can see I've tried it on my brush, because I'm not entirely sure where to put it because there's already a lot of like shimmer going on. I'll just tap it here. I'm worried about like getting in my eyes, so I will just tidy this up and then I'll come back to you to show you the blush. I have returned and I've kind of tried to tidy it up a bit around the edges, and I've also put mascara on. That is my finished eye look. A bit messy, but I'll go with it. And now I can finally put my glasses back on so I can see. Now it is time to try the blush. Quite excited about this. Everyone knew this entire collection was going to sell out because of Animal Crossing. So I wanted to grab the Nook Inc palette at least, but I grabbed 2 palettes and a blush, so I was really like over the moon. Tiny, but you know what to expect. So let's open it together. That is very pretty. Oh, it's also got like glitter on it. That's nice. I don't have a blush with glitter, so that is very interesting. I have recently started getting into blush because before I've never really like had the confidence to like have proper pink cheeks. Grab my brush. Very subtle. So this is the finished look. Maybe I will do another video where I try What a Hoot palette. Overall, I absolutely love the different shades of green in the Nook Inc palette, because that is the one I really wanted to at least try and grab before everything sold out. The blush is really subtle considering the size of everything. It's not really worth the price, but they are cute. Personally, I won't be getting anything else from their collection because the delivery cost and shipping was absolutely just no. Just absolutely no. And then I opened all the packaging and the boxes are absolutely tiny, so yeah, I don't think I'm going to be purchasing anything else from this collection, but it is very pretty, it is very cute, and as an Animal Crossing fan, I do love it. Thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for another one. Bye.